What's up guys? Today we're going to talk about 5 healthy choices that can cut hundreds of calories out of your diet. What's up guys? Welcome back to gentslounge. I'm George. Blake is in New York for the John Wick 3 premiere, so you have me all week. And if you don't know, Blake and I have a little fitness challenge going on. Basically, who can get abs by June 1st. And I'm on my way down and Blake's trying to build himself up. So we both have kind of different diet plans. But today I'm going to talk about 5 healthy choices that I made to help me cut hundreds of calories out of my diet. So I started this challenge at 224 pounds and I am now down to 204 pounds. I still have a little ways to go. I'm not seeing too much in the abdomen region yet, but I can tell that I am close. Just need to stick with my diet for a few more weeks. So on to the list, guys. Up first on the list, add flavor to your meals with herbs and spices and not fat. So, anything in the spice section is going to be 5 to 0 calories, and you can add as much of it as you want and it will add flavor. Garlic powder, chili powder. You can find, Mrs. Dash in the grocery store, or I personally use Flavor God seasonings. They're really good, really tasty, and you can just sprinkle them on to pretty much anything you are cooking, chicken, veggies, whatever you want. It will just add that little punch of flavor and make it not taste so terrible. Because let's be honest, guys, healthy food is not the greatest. So Flavor God, Mrs. Dash, the spice cabinet is your friend. Remember, if you're flavoring with butter, oil, any sort of like milk or cream or cheese, that's just gonna add hundreds of calories for like literally, I think a tablespoon of Caesar dressing has like 150 calories in it. And if you're gonna dress a salad with Caesar dressing, you need at least 2 or 3. So there's 600, 450 calories right there. Not worth it, guys. On to choice number 2, do not drink your calories. So if you're, drinking sugary drinks, sodas, flavored sweet teas, coffee with sugar and cream, you're just adding all these extra calories to your diet that you can easily cut out. So personally, I drink a lot of water, tea, and if I do want that sugary flavor, I'll add a squirt of Mio water flavoring to flavor my water. I do like the caffeine-filled black cherry because 1, it tastes kind of like cherry soda if you put it in a soda water, and 2, it gives you that little extra kick that, coffee or whatnot would, even though I do not drink coffee. All right, guys, tip number 3, load up on your greens and veggies first. So when you're filling your bowl or your plate, fill it up with some spinach or some broccoli, some sort of like hearty vegetables, and then add your protein and your rice or grains or bread on the side if you want to after that. Do you know how much spinach you have to eat 100 calories worth of spinach? Literally, this whole box of spinach is only 100 calories. So if you can fill up on the leafy greens and the spinach, you'll be getting a lot of volume of food, but there's not a lot of calories in there, so you won't gain any extra weight. So tip number 4 is probably the least fun out of all of them, but cut down on your drinking, and especially do not drink beer or wine or mixed liquor drinks. So like a whiskey Coke is not ideal. Right now I'm drinking solely vodka soda water with a little bit of lime, and that's not my favorite drink, but I know it has the least amount of calories and it has been working for me. I also cut down my drinking to only 1 night a week where, we go out and see friends. I'm not gonna go out to dinner and not have a drink with my friends that are all drinking, because I like to drink a little bit. So, cut down as much as you can, but cutting down any amount is going to help you hit your goals. And last but not least on the list, guys, try to cut down your processed sugars. So obviously candy, cookies, brownies, cake, any of the fun sugary stuff that's delicious it's gotta go. I will say also replace your sugar with whole fruits instead of fruit juices, because the fruit juices, once they're blended and juiced, it kind of takes out a lot of the fiber that's in the juice. So you're getting that sugar like straight to your system, straight to your bloodstream right away without having your body do any work to break down the fibers in the fruit. So if you're eating an apple or a pear, there's a ton of little tiny fibers that your body has to break down to pull the sugars out of it. If it's just juiced and straight, liquid, it's going right to your bloodstream, right in your body, and it's not really processing any of the sugar out. All right, guys, so that pretty much wraps up the video on the 5 healthy choices that I made to help myself lose 20 pounds and cut hundreds of calories out of my diet. If this video was helpful, leave us a comment down below. Give this video a thumbs up. We really appreciate it. I do want to give a shout out to these BYLT t-shirts. They just sent a couple of these over and they are super, super comfortable. And I just kind of wanted to show you guys. So I'll have a link to those down below, as well as all the products that I talked about in this video. If you have not hit that subscribe button yet, hit that right now. We are here every week talking about men's fashion, lifestyle, and everything in between. We're also on Instagram at gentslounge, so give us a follow over there. And once again, thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one, guys. Cheers.